Yeah, how you doing, class? It's Rich Wadowiak is my name. The agency I'm gonna be at is gonna be like I think they have like partial care. They have like a residence area program, and what else do they have? I think they have other like services where you can get counseling and so forth. And I'll be working with teens, like the teen population, at yeah, at the agency. And I guess gaining knowledge is pretty much what I'm looking to get, and with the population with teens, I've worked as a camp counselor with like I guess like 5-year-olds, but I don't know if that's going to be the same as teens. But I guess they're pretty much like almost like young adults. So they're it's almost like working with adults, but I guess just maybe managing just the teen stuff they may be going through. So that's kind of interesting for me because it'll be fun to kind of see what they go through, and it'll kind of remind me of my teens, and maybe I could bring some of the information I got from back then to help them with what I went through. Um, Working with teens, and I guess what I'm excited about is like the challenges it brings and the opportunity to like to grow and just to understand their population better, and then to kind of just help bring whatever experience I have and then learn from them as well, and then kind of have like a back and forth, and then yeah, hopefully we come to a common ground, and yeah, it's a benefit for all. um Lack, what am I worried about? I think lack of growth possibly. If they're maybe difficult to deal with, or they don't want to listen, or it's really hard to reach them and they don't want to talk or really participate. So hopefully it's not too much of that. Although I expect, I'm open to anything, and I know there's probably going to be some like, um, let me see, just some resistance maybe with a few of them. So we'll see how it goes, but I think it should go well. As far as dealing with the excitement and concerns, I guess just maybe if I have issues, talk to the managers, maybe even like journal kind of what I'm going through, and then maybe see like the perspectives of how I could be better and apply that. Talk to the team, talk to the managers, supervisor, and so forth to kind of I don't know, vent anything, like talk about concerns and so forth, so we could just move on and you know all work together as a team. And that's pretty much it. Thanks. Bye.